Y'all ever seen a bow-legged dog?
Shut up.
That be bow-legged. Look at her.
Man, leave my dog alone.
Look at her. Hey, tell her strut for me one time. Okay, look at her. Okay, look at her. Hey, okay. Look at her leg. Okay.
Leave my dog alone.
Hey,
She good. She good.
I ain't never seen a goddamn bow-legged dog in my life. She old as shit.
Man, you know what? Go bite him.
Go ahead, twerk to that one time.